We've got the perfect collection of different silk fabrics that you need to create a beautiful blouse piece for any kind of sari that you have. So let me show you a few of our hand-picked blouse pieces fabrics that you would definitely love. This Banarsi silk that you see here is in a nice and vibrant shade of violet color, giving it a very royal and rich look. Now these are few of our exclusive new brocade collections that are just perfect to recreate into any kind of outfits you have in mind. One of which could be a beautiful peplum top or any kind of kids wear tops you have in mind. For a nice lehenga set, this kind of brocade Banarsi would look really good. Now the brocade work over here is in a nice gold zari work, and the zari work that you see has been done with beautiful resham silk, so it's just perfect. You can see the design, it's in a half moon design with beautiful floral buttas. It gives a very great pattern, and it has a beautiful collection in this in colors of reds, blues, yellows and many more. So it's just the perfect fabric that you want to recreate. Now in this fabric you can see it's a nice rich shade of emerald green color Banarsi fabric in beautiful gold zari work that has been done in a brocade design. Now the brocade design is obviously very gorgeous, and the gold zari work also looks beautiful. You can look at these purple shades of butta work that has been done on it, and this amazing design which is just perfect to create a beautiful lehenga for yourself, or even if you want to create a nice set, it would look just perfect. Now I've selected a very nice shade of blue color which is very rich yet muted. So the color is just perfect to create any kind of blouse pieces that you want for a sari or for a lehenga too. Now you can look at the silver zari work that has been done in beautiful brocade that looks just perfect and amazing. If you take a closer look at the fabric, you can see these birds that have been designed across it and floral work too. So entirely this fabric gives a really different and unique touch to the entire fabric and is perfect to customize any kind of outfits you have in mind. Now this one is a quite heavy brocade Banarsi silk that you can see. You can look at all of the gold zari work that has been done in beautiful silk threads, amazingly woven inside this Banarsi fabric that you can see. Perfect for any kind of grand looks that you want to go for. You can look at the floral work, you can look at the gold zari, it gives such a rich look, and the base color over here is a nice violet color. So entirely the violet color gives us a very royal and regal touch, and the gold is obviously quite rich. So entirely this fabric looks quite beautiful, and if you look at the detailing, you have all this orange thread work and pista green thread work too, which gives a beautiful contrast to the entire fabric. Perfect to create an anarkali or a beautiful blouse piece for a lehenga or any kind of lehenga set that you want to create for a grand wedding look. Now here we've got a really nice hot pink shade of Banarsi silk with nice chevron pattern that has been done in brocade design. So all of this is perfect because it gives both a modern yet fun and traditional look. Perfect to create any kind of kids wear lehenga or any kind of blouse pieces for kids wear, half saris or any kind of fabrics that you have in mind. This kind of Banarsi silk would look just perfect. You can look at the pattern, it's a nice chevron pattern and it's in gold zari work. So the hot pink and the gold obviously gives a beautiful contrast which makes it really charming and very elegant. Perfect for any kind of outfits that you have in mind. Now here we've selected a nice red Banarsi silk which is perfect for a wedding look or any kind of wedding occasions that you have in mind. Beautiful brocade work done across it in nice unique patterns. You can look at the check boxes, and inside it you can see all of these geometric patterns which gives a very different and unique touch to the fabric. Perfect to create any kind of traditional outfits, be it a suit set, be it a sari. You can add a touch of border, create a beautiful sari for yourself, a beautiful blouse piece, pair it off with a nice contrasting color. All of this will look just perfect, and all of this antique gold zari work that you see on it looks really different and quite unique. So the red color and the gold zari, all of this makes it look really rich and very elegant. Here we've selected a nice peach shade. You can look at the brocade work that has been done. It's very minimal because of the color peach and the silver zari work that has been done on it in beautiful design. So you can look at it how it reflects in the light and it looks just perfect and amazing. You can look at how beautiful the creatures on this fabric has been designed and beautiful floral work that has been done. It has a very unique pattern and it is perfect to create a lehenga or a blouse piece. Here I've selected a black Banarsi fabric. We've got a lot of brocade designs in black, one of which is this beautiful and unique design of black Banarsi. Amazing brocade work done across it, a nice tree-like pattern. It's in a nice gold zari work. So the gold and black gives a very charming and different kind of contrast which makes it look quite bold and very beautiful and quite different too. So you can take a look at how beautifully it reflects on the light too, and it's perfect to create a blouse piece for your sari, or if you want to create a beautiful anarkali for yourself, it would be just perfect. We've selected a rich cherry red Banarsi silk which looks just perfect, and you can look at the brocade work done here. It's a nice silver and gold zari work which makes it look very unique, and both of them mixed up together gives a very different and unique charm to it. So you can look at the cherry red color and you can look at the zari work. You can create a beautiful top with this, or any kind of kids wear lehengas that you want to create, or even if you want to add a touch of elegance and create a beautiful blouse piece for yourself for your lehenga too. This kind of fabric would give a really beautiful touch, and brocade is anyways always in style, so this kind of fabric in your wardrobe is very much needed. Finally, a beautiful pista green color which looks very elegant and different. We can look at how unique the brocade work on this is. It's in a nice gold zari work and it has a grid-like pattern. If you take a closer look at it, you can look at the intricate details of floral work that has been done for like grids, and the pattern itself is quite different. You can see that there is a rustic and unique charm to this fabric because of the zari work. You can tell that our zari work is quite pure because of the rustic and vintage charm which ages over time, and it looks like fine quality. This kind of fabric would be perfect to create any kind of kurtas or any kind of blouses or lehengas. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit a like and comment down if you want to know more details, and subscribe to our channel Fabric by Singhania. If you want to follow us on more social media pages, you can follow us on Fabric by Singhania. And if you want to know more about our customizations, you can visit us at our store at Banjara Hills Road number 1.